Okay, so today we're gonna make buttermilk chicken. So first of all, we need the ingredients like this chicken here. These are about 500 grams of sliced chicken, marinated with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So what we're gonna do is we'll marinate it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or overnight. Then only we deep fry them in the mixture of tapioca starch and cornstarch. And here we have 2 cups of milk, 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 5 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of water mixed. And here we have 3 long chilies finely chopped. And here we have some butter. We'll need only about 50 grams of unsalted butter to fry the mixture of the buttermilk sauce. Alright, so to make the buttermilk sauce, we need to heat up 50 grams of butter, and then once the butter has started to melt, we can insert our chopped garlic. So we just need to stir fry it until it is slightly softened. We do not need to brown them. So once it is slightly softened, now we insert our chopped chilies. That would be about 2 tablespoons of chopped chilies and a handful of curry leaves. So this we will need to stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes until the curry leaves are crispy. Right, so now that the curry leaves has turned crispy, so we can insert our milk. So this milk will need to let them simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes time until they are slightly thickened. So you can check the consistency of the thickness of the gravy as how thick you would like it. If you think that it's not thick enough after these 2 minutes of simmering, you can add in the mixture of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water just to thicken it up a bit. So we'll just let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Right, so 2 minutes after simmering, so this is the consistency of the milk that we will get. So if you think this is thick enough and creamy enough for you, then it's fine. You can insert your chicken at this point. But however, if you feel that it's not thick enough, you can insert this 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water into the mixture. Give it a good stir, and as you can see, it has thickened. And you can just continue letting it simmer for about 1 more minute just to ensure that the cornstarch mixture is properly cooked. Right, so 1 minute later, you can insert your fried chicken fillets. Just turn the stove off, mix them well, and you can serve them on a plate before you eat it with some white rice or some spaghetti would do as well. Depends on which type of carbohydrates do you prefer.